Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to make spaghetti and meatballs. Really delicious, and I'm starting off with 1 kg of don't pour your meat, 1 kg of pork, ground pork, and 1 kg of ground beef. I know a kg is a lot for 2 people, but you can freeze the meatballs. After I make them, I'm going to be freezing most of them, and after adding that, I'm going to spice my meat. Here you can spice with whatever you like. I'm going to go in with beef masala because Kenyans and masala, I don't even know what goes there, but I'm going to add a tablespoon of paprika. You can tell I'm generous. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of blend. Tablespoon of blend, and this blend has salt, so whenever you're salting, I'm sure if you've watched any of my recipes, you know that this blend has salt, so whenever you'll be salting at the end, adding salt to your food, you have to be careful when your spices have salt. And I'm going to mix it, and the best way to go is with your hands. So I'm going to be mixing my So my spices are all in, well combined. I'm going to add 2 eggs. I already beat them, so I'm going to add 2 eggs and then continue with the hand job. Things are going to get really interesting here because the egg just makes everything soggy, but we are going to hold these together with the breadcrumbs. I have 1 cup of breadcrumbs, and even when you measure it, you just have to go with your guts. You have to add 1 cup just little by little until your meat reaches the consistency that you would like. So I'm going to, this is going to be really messy. Let me just add my meat breadcrumbs and mix. So all my meatballs are combined. Now I'm going to add my cheese. I have grated cheese here, and I'm going to be adding little by little. Ooh, the best part. Every time you add cheese to something, that's just the best part. So my meatballs, rather my meat is ready, and now I'm just going to make them into small balls, and I'll just grab the meat into the size that you like, and small ones are better because they are going to cook inside, and then I'm going to turn them. For the excess meatballs, you can put them in an airtight ziploc and then store them in the freezer. Pull them when you need to cook. Guys, now I'm done with making the round balls, and here I have my vegetable oil. I'm going to add it into this pan. And let the oil heat a little bit, and then I'll be putting my meatballs in here. So my oil is hot. I'm going to dip my meatballs so that I don't burn my hand. guys, my meatballs are all dried up, so I'll be frying, and I want to change the pot because the pot here is too small for my meatballs. So I'm going to be doing my oil, and I'll be careful to not add a lot of it, and then I'll add onions. Oops. So my onions here are brown. I'm going to transfer my meatballs into the pan, and then I'm going to add this tomato puree that I brought at the I'm also going to add water that I put in this bottle to make sure I wash off all my tomatoes. And that's where I'm going to cover and let it simmer for 30 minutes so that the meat can cook. And in the meantime, I'll be cooking my spaghetti. So I have my boiled spaghetti here and drained, don't rinse them. And then I'm going to put them inside the sauce. And I'm going to make sure they get all the juiciness. Trying to not mess up with my meatballs. Guys, that's my spaghetti and meatballs ready, cooked. I'm just going to empty them in my white bowl so that I serve them from there. It feels more organized, it feels prettier. So I'm going to empty them and then serve. I'm going to garnish with coriander, chopped coriander. And you guys tell me it's a good day without telling me it's a good day. I'm just ready to go and eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give it a try. I'm sure you're going to enjoy, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.